Give me some of that bone, 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 bone. Why is bonus important? Well, look at this. Since we know that bone rewards will stop at 230 million on Shiba Swap, there are now just 2 million bone tokens left. Look at the supply here. You see the supply, you see the holders here, and you see this information here. Let's see if the price afterwards will start to increase. But we all know about this. The Shibarium is coming. Will SHIB and Bone explode this summer? Well, we're just about the beginning of summer. We're gonna have to wait and see what happens here. But the Shibarium is coming, low fee, scalable, faster processing times than you think, and good for the environment. They've been talking about the Shibarium for a while. I've been hearing about this for at least a year because of this. This is why you should be holding Bone, Bone. What is Bone and why is SHIB not being used as gas? It's an important reason for that, and let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, Bone has increased 3% of the day, but Bone has tremendous value and potential here because it seems like it doesn't get mentioned as much as SHIB, but I do understand all the SHIB holders out there, but there's nothing wrong with holding some Bone because Bone is the governance token for the SHIB ecosystem, which will allow SHIB investors to vote for the upcoming projects. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. It also will be used as the native gas coin for the Shibarium. That's why it's important. Well, that's one reason why it's important to have Bone. So you had SHIB, you need to have a Bone. You have a brother, you have a sister. You have cake, you need icing on there. If you have a soda, you need some napkins to wash things down. This is why it's important. Why not just stick with Ethereum network? Why make L2 solution Shibarium? Layer 2 solution help in reducing transaction fees by simply taking away some of the burden from the underlying network. That's why Bone is going to be important because the gas fees will be a little bit less and a little bit more transitioning. So look at this. FCF paid to add support for Shiba Inu, ecosystem coin, Bone as payment method. I'm telling you, Bone is where it is right now, and the community voice, Bone Farm's proposal to create to make united decision on whether to halt bone minting at through 230 million, thereby keeping the total supply at the original cap of 250 million, as originally designed to allow over minting of 20 million bones for validators. So Bone does got some little edge here. The governance coin is going to be used as part of the Shibarium that's coming soon. We don't know exactly when it's gonna happen here, but SHIB Army can earn Bone via staking liquidity farming on Shiba Swap. So you can still own some Bone, or you can just go ahead and buy Bone on a lot of different areas. I would look on market, and these are the places you can buy Bone. Of course, Shiba Swap, but here's a couple of other exchanges you can get your Bone from. But just don't forget about it because sometimes it get lost in the crowd. But when this Shibarium's coming, and it's supposed to do a couple of these things here, low fee, scalable, faster processing fee, and good for the environment, Bone will be used, no question whatsoever. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Shiba is important in terms of the whole ecosystem. It's the Genesis token ecosystem. But Bone is the gas that's driving the car in the Shibarium. I'm excited about that. You should be too. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You see the video on the bottom left? Take a look at that. I'll see you there in a few minutes. I just have to get some water. I'll be over there in a few minutes. Let's go.